The reason I came to college is I looked at sixth form and it wasn't for me, and so I had to look at college and I saw the game design course. And I'm really passionate about video games as a whole, so I thought I want to take that to the next level and work on them and design them as a career in the future.
To begin with, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I studied engineering, and then I've taken that once I passed and came into games development to sort of progress a future career.
There's 3 parts to our courses, so we do audio, games design, and we also do 3D design. It helps us to get all of the general parts of games design that you would need to build your own games and help others to build games.
The facilities at college are very well equipped. We've got industry standard software such as Maya, Unity, Unreal, Mudbox and many other software that are commonly used in industry.
My favourite part has just generally been the freedom of being able to create and pursue whatever you wanted. Obviously there's briefs and there's guidelines, but ultimately you get total control as to what you want to pursue.
The most special things we've done in this course is obviously, work on games as a, little passion projects, working as a team with people, and just meeting everyone on the course. It's been really special to me personally.
One of the achievements I've got is I competed in skills competition in Wales and I won a gold medal in 3D games art.
I've made a lot of connections with people in the industry and I've, expanded my portfolio of abilities and skills.
College has changed my expectation of myself to be a lot higher. After the first year, I feel like I can do a lot more, like my own skills, and I believe in myself a lot more, I'm a lot more confident. I think I can just do better overall in anything now.
College has changed me because when I came I wasn't as confident and wasn't sort of as outgoing as I am, but nowadays, having done 5 years of this, I feel as though being able to represent who I am and follow what I want to do has really sort of opened me up as a person.
I'm hoping to get into games design. I hope to maybe one day create my own game that hopefully many people play. I've played video games practically my whole life, so I would like to be able to inspire people the way video games inspired me.